Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing. Create a restore point and backup settings because you will change drivers. Next, download the exact GPU driver from the vendor and this prevents leftover files from causing the notification. Once done, switch to the monitor's native cable and record its native resolution. That avoids confusion between panel and scaler. You need admin rights. Open the instructions now and plan to reboot into safe mode. This first step clears software errors, which is why it's essential. You now execute the core procedure. Boot into safe mode and run to remove all GPU driver remnants. That prevents conflicts that trigger the optimal resolution notification. After restart, install the GPU driver from the manufacturer, then add chipset and the monitor INF if available, because drivers speak the display's language. Make sure to set Windows to the native resolution and 100% scaling. This ensures the system and monitor agree. If you use multi-GPU, repeat for each adapter. Finish by confirming the active resolution and saving a custom profile only when the native mode is absent. Use the manufacturer's control panel so timings match. Then test different cables and inputs, because a faulty DP/HDMI can reset EDID and trigger the notification. Once done, reboot and check the message. If the notification still appears, verify the monitor's EDID or update monitor firmware. As a troubleshooting tip, test the monitor on another PC to isolate whether the display or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.